Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sara and I'm here with you today with another money-making idea from home. You might have seen quiz videos on YouTube, or if you have kids love watching quiz videos. So today I'm going to show you how you can start a quiz videos channel on YouTube. I will show you how you can make quiz videos with one click with Canva and ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you making this video. It will write for you the questions for the quiz and also the description for your YouTube video. It will give you the channel name ideas and the title for your video and all you need to upload a video with good SEO. And don't worry if you don't have a pro version of Canva, because free version of Canva works perfect for making a quiz video. Let me show you the process without wasting your time. First, we need to open ChatGPT.
Now ask ChatGPT to make a table of any number of quiz questions you want. I have asked ChatGPT to make a table for kids quiz video of 15 questions and make it in rows and columns. Then ask ChatGPT to make it in Excel table. ChatGPT will make it in Excel file. You need to open this Excel file to copy text. You can see all the quiz questions in this table. Now you need to select the table and copy it. So I'm selecting it and copying it.
Then you need to open Canva in your laptop. To make a quiz video in Canva and saving your time, you need to work in your laptop because the bulk feature doesn't work in mobile phone.
Once you open Canva, click at home and search for quiz video templates. You will see many free templates here, or the ones which come with pro version. I'm going to choose this yellow template and going to click on customize. You can make changes to template here. You can change the background color. You can choose any color of your choice. My video is about kids quiz, so I will make it something which looks good for kids. I have duplicated another page for the answer section in this template because this template had no answer page. So on second page I will write answer and I will edit the page accordingly. Like I don't need too many tabs here, only one tab for answer. So I will delete extra tabs and will only keep one tab for answer. This template has timer here, but you can also add a timer in other templates, which you can find from elements. Now I'm just adding some elements from elements section for kids because it's kids video. So it depends what your niche is, what kind of video you are making, so you can customize this as accordingly. Canva has very good selection of free elements, so it's not necessary to have a pro version to make a quiz video. Taking the second page of answer. So my design is ready, you can see here. The first page is question with 4 options to choose, and the second page is answer and the correct answer. Click on the left side of the screen where it says bulk create. You will see enter data manually. Once you click on enter data manually, this table will open. Now the quiz questions which we copied from ChatGPT from the Excel sheet, we need to paste here. Click on the box just next to one and paste the text. Then click at done button. You will see all the text has appeared here on the left side. Now you need to connect data. Select the option like of question and click on connect data and connect the table columns with your data. Be careful when connecting data. You can see the arrow sign here where it says connect data. Just make sure you connect the right options. You can see to connect answer option here, I will click on connect data option and then we'll click on the right option. Once all the options are connected with the data you copied from ChatGPT, click at continue button. It's showing all the data you have connected with your template. Once you double check it and you're happy with that, click at Continue with Designs. It could be any number of designs you have created. So once you click on Continue with Design, the whole quiz video is ready. You can see the whole video is just ready here with all 15 questions. Just have a look at your design and see if everything is okay. And once you're happy, press that share button and download. If you have a pro version, you can download the video in 4K. Otherwise, for free version, Canva gives you 1080p resolution. So click at download and your video is ready.
Once your video is ready, it's your choice if you want to add your voice as voiceover, or you want to use AI voiceover, or you just don't need any voice. Ask ChatGPT to write description for your video title, and tags. I hope you enjoyed this video. Best of luck for your making money journey. Look after yourself and other people around you. If you have any questions and you're stuck somewhere while working on this niche, just drop me a text in comments. I will try my best to answer. Look after yourself. Bye.